the star of the show.
The star?
Yes, why are we here?
Well, there's a spot here.
Just gonna head to the terminal. It is around 6 a.m. Starbucks open?
Mom, it's right there.
It's open!
Yeah, look at the lineup.
Is it worth it?
I'm not lining up.
No, I don't. Forget it. The lineup is ridiculous. We're not doing this. Figuring out what our gate number is.
Please comply with them at all times.
Les consignes de ceinture et d'interdiction de fumer se trouvent à différents endroits dans l'avion. Veuillez les respecter en tout temps.
It is prohibited to smoke, to use electronic cigarettes, or to consume your own alcohol on board.
Il est interdit de fumer, d'utiliser des cigarettes électroniques ou de consommer son propre alcool à bord.
Pretty noisy here in the plane, but it was a bit rushed in the morning, so I didn't have time to do a proper vlog introduction. So good morning, welcome to today's vlog. Heading to Vancouver to get a connecting flight to Cranbrook, and we got upgraded to business class, so this is awesome. We're having an amazing breakfast. Look at all that. Just got a moment here in the washroom to talk to you. It's just been a great trip so far. I've been doing really well. I didn't need my little stool at all. I just been able to walk. My heart rate has been pretty stable. I'm just watching House of Gucci now. The movie is almost finished. We have another couple of hours of the flight. And as soon as I'm done the movie, I'm gonna try to sleep a bit because I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. And yeah, I'll keep checking in with you guys. We're here at Vancouver Airport. Finally got here. We have about 3 hours to kill. And yeah, the walk between gates, even though it was smaller than at Toronto Airport, was harder on me. So I don't know if it was because of having done the trip already and the difference in altitude and whatnot, but definitely I'm a lot more out of breath and my heart rate got a lot higher. Had to stop a few times, feel quite out of breath, but so far so good, doing well. Here is the star of the show.
The star?
Yes, why are we here?
We are here to visit the place I will be moving.
Yes, because of you.
Yes.
This is Isabella, my youngest, who's coming to live in BC.
I'm not your youngest.
Youngest daughter. What are we gonna do for 3 hours?
I don't know. Coffee?
She already had 3 coffees on the plane. What do you want? Glass for Americano? Cheers! Just made it to the seat before passing out.
Let me see your heart rate.
Now it's 131, but it was like 150. So I sat down now. This mask doesn't help either. An update on the luggage situation. I ended up swapping the pink bag for this carry-on suitcase just because, not because I needed more space, but because I wasn't going to be able to carry it. It was not a good call to have to carry 2 bags on my shoulders. That way I don't have to carry any because I can put my backpack on top of the suitcase. So that was definitely a good call. Get used to it because this is going to be your new university. You're so beautiful. Okay, if I touch you? Okay. Where is she going?
We were going to go on a ride, but now that you guys are here already, probably.
You gonna eat first?
Yeah.
Now we're heading to the airport to fly. What kind of plane are we gonna fly?
This is Cessna 172.
So this guy is gonna fly us. I'm not quite sure if I trust him, but I have this adventure spirit today. I feel like risking my life. So that this girl can see what her life is going to be.
Yes.
When she's training to be a pilot. That should be exciting. It's cold. It's gonna get colder as we go up, right?
Yeah, but you have a year in the plane.
Oh, good. I don't know, it's pretty windy. You literally push the plane out.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta get out of the way. Are you having doubts?
No, I'm not having I'm just looking.
Okay, I don't like your face. I don't like the way you're...
Well, this doubt is making us.
I'm like, I don't know.
No, this is about how bad the winds get.
You should sound a little more confident. Where's your checklist? I don't see you checking things off on
It's
paper.
right here. It's in the
Good.
document. Make sure you check it.
In case you're wondering what I'm doing in a tiny little airport by this plane, it's because my baby is going to become a pilot! That's so exciting!
Alright. Tony, you game? Yeah. Right, I have to put it right there. Can you hear me now? Right on.
So it turned out that it was way too windy today, and he didn't want to traumatize Isabella with her first flight. So we're gonna call it a day for today, and we're gonna try again tomorrow. So we didn't actually take off. So yeah, we're gonna try tomorrow.
Keep going. You can do it, Izzy. You can do it. Put all your weight on it.
I am.
There you go. I think you're good.
So right now we're going for a hike. I'm not exactly where we're going, but somewhere in the mountains, close to the mountains. I don't know. We're going for a hike.
There's blue flowers.
It's a beautiful place.
Okay, is it like flowers? You have to change in the
The
car.
old conditions are a little bit precarious.
Maybe we should get out and walk, Dad. Just start walking here, you know?
Yeah,
but then I'm in the
well,
middle
you
of the
can't.
road.
Yeah, you can't.
You think we're gonna get stuck?
No.
I'm afraid we go down the ravine.
Slide. Oh,
Maybe
that's
you're a
bad.
little optimistic. Don't worry about it. Just see what happens.
We have to adventure. Dad is in control.
Who's gonna rescue us if
He's
we
our
get
tour
stuck
guide.
here?
It cannot fail.
Bit hard. We're gonna slip off the side there.
Look at how
Just
steep it
don't be
is.
such an instigator.
I'll put the chains on. You should have put your helmet on.
The chains on and
Oh,
the takes a while.
my.
Dad,
What is happening?
God, you know.
What are you doing, Hans? You're gonna put chains?
yeah, I'm gonna put chains on.
Seriously?
Well, it's safer.
Well, the roads are pretty bad. This is all ice. That's what the issue is. If it was snow, it wouldn't be. It's very slippery.
There's a mine on both sides here. You can see.
So we're heading to a hot springs. What's the name of the hot springs?
All natural. It's,
White swan.
Oh, natural.
It's the wheat swan.
Swan?
White swan.
White swan. And it's supposed to be, one of them is supposed to be really hot, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Least one's really hot.
Okay, because
Is it hotter than the hot tub?
It's
Yeah,
the
I
hottest.
think so.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
So like I have to be at work at 7. So every morning I get like the most beautiful sunrises.
wow.
And I come over the peaks and it's just gorgeous.
That is Mount Fisher. I will climb to that summit. That's a statement.
20,000 feet high.
Yeah, I did the same.
So one sec, I just like,
What are you doing?
I'm
Crazy. It's so slippery. Oh, ice there. Oh, but now we have the rail.
ends here.
Oh, that's better now without the ice.
It's not icy here anymore. Water?
Are we gonna do the river?
Yeah.
If you want to do the river, we can do the river.
Let's do the river.
It's up to you. Are we gonna do the river?
I'm gonna do the river.
Then I'm going to.
I'll go
I don't know if I'll be able to do it.
I
but
might
I'll
regret
try.
it.
Well, in that
Wait,
case, I have to warm up.
Yeah, I gotta
Oh,
soak
that-
a little bit.
Okay. Already cold.
Yeah, me too.
Good. Let's go back.
Let's do this.
You okay?
Yeah.
Which one is this? That's not the river, don't worry. No, this is
No,
nice.
I can't.
I can stay here.
No.
Just hurry up, I don't want to change my mind.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, back down! That counts!
Quitters! Oh my god, cheerful.
Okay, I'm a little dizzy.
We gotta lay all the way down. How was it?
No, move.
How was it?
Oh my god, I don't know if I can do this. So cold.
One more to go. Antonio! I'm coming. It's going in.
I'm dying.
Excuse me.
Okay, I'm alive. Okay. Alright. You gotta do it, Antonio. I did.
You do it.
You gotta go underwater.
Oh, you totally did it.
Alright.
Golf Juliet Tango in front of Streamline or VFR departure to the Northland for the advisory.
Delta Tango, runway 16, wind 170 at 9, altimeter 3021.
Roger, runway 16, we'll the actual flight you'll do, 'cause the actual instructor, he'll be sitting in the right seat. You'll be sitting here.
Okay.
You'll be the captain of the flight.
How, like, when do you start to do takeoff and landing?
Oh, right away.
Right away?
Yeah.
Oh, love.
It's actually super easy. When we take off from Fairmont, I'll let you do the takeoff.
Ah, okay.
You'll be fine.
I feel like landing's harder.
Landing's super easy too.
My ears, though.
Yeah.
So you did the landing?
Yeah.
Wow.
A little, yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
That was not bad at all.
Not bad.
You didn't break the plane.
No. At least I don't think.
So today is the last day of our trip. Actually, yesterday was supposed to be the last day of our trip. We're trying to catch the, I think it was 6 o'clock flight from Vancouver to Toronto. But the flight was completely full, was overbooked, and lots of passengers stayed behind. And we ended up in this lovely hotel, all crammed.
Borrowed our nicks and our mugs.
Why don't you ask for things back? Are you being bullied?
Now, boys, I'm just turning the other cheek.
What's so weird that happened to me at the bar?
We had some Chinese food last night, and we're just gonna pack soon and try to catch the 2 o'clock flight. No,
What's supposed to be?
It's a shrimp. Yeah, shrimp.
Shrimp.
To go with the
Shrimp soup.
What am I going to use with?
we forgot to order plates, so I have to eat out of a cup.
F something.
I probably just called it for something.
I am definitely paying the price of the weekend. I'm very, very sore, in a lot of pain. My hands are swollen. I don't know why. My joints are very sore. That happens sometimes out of nowhere. The same way it comes, it goes, so it's just a matter of waiting for it to go. Anyways, I knew that that was the price I was gonna pay, but it was totally worth it. I had so much fun in this trip. And go home and just sleep lots and recover.